Wholesome natural butter is so much better than artificial spreads. But have you ever tried spreading butter on broken toast? We did, and it was not a pretty sight. We want something that will make it easy to spread butter. That's the idea behind Spread That. It amazed even ourselves that an idea so simple would ultimately require more than 50 prototypes and the corroboration of various different functions of engineering, user experience studies, industrial design, and the supply chain. This is Spread That, the most advanced butter knife in the world. Because it helps melt butter while requiring no electricity, no heating, and no waiting. Spread That is made from the latest heat-conducting technologies and materials. Your body's heat will transfer through Spread That to melt cold butter. Spread That even received the 2014 IF Product Design Award, a prestigious annual award given only to the top products that are not only useful but great to look at. Your help will allow us to procure mass production machinery needed to fold, bend, insert, mold, shape, coat, and polish this great invention and to bring it to a store near you. There aren't many products in the world that has made it this far. This product is priced right, works well, and has an award-winning design. The rest is in your hands. You are the key to giving it the one final push it desperately needs. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers with Cuisinart. This is Cuisinart's electric knife. It's very versatile. It's great for cutting roasts. It has a switch here which locks it, which I just press to release it so that it can work. But I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to just carve a chicken. Look how juicy that is. I'm going to put it aside. And the other thing that's really great about this electric knife is that you don't have to use a lot of pressure. It's really ergonomic to hold, and it's so simple and easy to use. I'm just going to take that off of there. And now what I'm going to do is show you how easy it is to switch blades. There's two little buttons right here. You just press it and lift the blade out. And now we're going to put in the bread blade. You just slip it right in. And now we're going to cut some bread. The nice thing about having an electric knife is that, there's so many breads out there that are beautiful artisan breads that you don't want to cut before you use it. So you can cut really thick slices if you want. Look how easy that is. Or you can cut thin slices for sandwiches. You'll notice too that it comes with this storage block, which is wood. The nice thing about it is that it has a little lock here. So you lift it up and you turn it, and it actually locks the blades right into place. And then you can put the housing right here, and it snaps right into place. You can store this standing up, or remove this, and you can actually store it right in your drawer in your kitchen. And there you have it, a really versatile product, especially when you're having company. It's a really quick and easy way to carve your roasts, and you keep stress-free.
Let me introduce you to the American Angler Pro Fillet Knife. This is 2 times stronger than any other electric fillet knife on the market. It lasts 5 times longer, and it's got a vented airflow system with a fan in here that cools it down. Now you can buy it with one blade, or you can buy it with multiple blades. There are 5 possible. These are the 2 blades I use. First you put the 2 blades together and then simply insert them like that. plug it in and get ready to go. And I'm going to start with what is arguably America's favorite fish to fillet. If you've never used an electric fillet knife before for filleting fish, they're so much easier and so much faster than a regular knife. Just start here, insert it in like so. Now we're going to follow this backbone right down. You notice how easily that goes through the fish. Start it right here. Follow the bone down just like so. And I simply cut the fillet off. I like to rib it first, solid the rib. And you just, once you get underneath the ribs, you just kind of flip it up and roll it off. Now with walleyes, you've also got a little section of Y bones, and if you feel right here, you can feel those bones. I'll take and cut this out, because if I don't, Chrissy comes after me. And I'll take them out like so before I do this. Now when you cut the fillet.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Electric Knife. It's nice and ergonomic. It has a removable blade. This blade is used for both breads, meats, cheeses, fruits, and vegetables. To remove the blade, you press the blade release button, like so, and you put your fingers on these two little black pieces here, and you remove it. To put it back in place, just slide the blade assembly back in, and it'll lock automatically. Has a nice cushion grip here, so it has two little bump outs here, and that's so that when you lay it down on the counter, it stays very stable. The other thing that's really nice is that it has a touch button here that you use to turn it on and off. The nice thing about an electric knife is that if you're not very confident about using a knife in the kitchen, it's a great way to get started. It's also great if you're going to be cutting up a lot of different foods, or even large pieces of meat for a holiday like a turkey or even a roast. So let's get started by slicing up some bread, and you'll see how very efficient it is. So let's just do that. This cutting board's a little curved, so it's a little harder to get through to the bottom. Anyway, let's do that again so I can show you better. Okay, there we go. So, put that aside. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to stack these over here. So this happens to be a roasted garlic ciabatta bread, which I have to tell you, it's very fragrant. But I want to just show you how easy it is even to do delicate items like fruits. I mentioned earlier you can do fruits and vegetables. You can do cheese. Let me just turn.